In the early morning light, when the rooster starts to crow, the farmers rise with the sun, ready for seeds to sow. They work the fertile land with their hands in the soil, planting hope for a season. Harvest toil, the sweat drips from their brows as they till the ground. With each furrow they sow their dreams all around. Pray for gentle rain to bless their labor's work, for the crops to grow tall in the golden fields of earth. Harvest time is coming, it's a farmer's blessed day, reaping what they've sown in that familiar. In the early morning light, when the rooster starts to crow, the farmers rise with the sun, ready for seeds to sow. They work the fertile land with their hands in the soil, planting hope for a season. Harvest toil, the sweat drips from their brows as they till the ground. With each furrow they sow their dreams all around. Pray for gentle rain